What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mode. Today we're going to do a battery change in a Lexus Smart Key. This Smart Key is going to take replacement battery CR2032. And the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key from the bottom. That's done by pressing this button here on the side. And that's going to allow the key to slide out like that. Now, if you can notice on this key, there's a little bit of a lip on it. And what we want to do is stick that lip into this slot right here. So we're gonna stick it in there and make sure you have it all the way in, and then we're gonna turn it, and that's gonna pop the shell apart. So I put it in that slot and then just turned it like I was opening a lock. So once you have that started, go ahead and pull it apart. And now we can see our battery right here. And if you grab your key again, you can kind of get under this edge of it like that. Grab our new battery. And we want to make sure we're installing that with the plus side up. Snap that in there. Line your board back up in the shell. Make sure that rubber piece, it's sitting in that rubber piece properly. We can grab the back, snap that on, put our emergency key back in, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.